Hold up. Should I wait? Woo! All right. Check
Guys,
that out.
here's my Nama juice. A beautiful sister purchased this for me on my birthday. And because of the, what do you call it, supply chain issues, I just got this, I think about 2 weeks ago. Today is December 4th. So like about 2 weeks ago. And it's been sitting down because I wanted to make sure I do an unboxing video. So I went and bought all my supplies, all my ingredients. So we're gonna unbox today, and then we're gonna do some juice. Angel, are you gonna join us? Awesome. So I'll be right back. I have to get a knife because I don't know how to get Angel. No, don't. It's not time for you to sniff me here. How do you open this thing here? I'm gonna have to pause this video and come back. Yes. This thing is locked up like Fort Knox. Okay, I have to be right back, you guys. Give me a second, all right? I'm back. I'm gonna figure it out. Oh, I'm back, you guys, and I figured it out. Excuse me earlier, I had some ice in my mouth. I like to chew ice. And somebody's gonna tell me ice is wrong. I'm sure it is. And just excuse me, is that your hair? So what is this? I finally figured out how to open the box. This juice container, pulp container. Okay. Why is everything hard to open? Or am I just excited like a kid with a new toy? Yes. You know when you get excited, you get a new toy, you're just so anxious, you want to just open everything real fast. That's me. So I think, what it said just now? Anyway, we're going to figure this out when we get to the kitchen. So this is, looks like the pulp or the juice container. What is this here? This says push-up cleaning brush. Okay, I think we know what that is. Do you want to see that? I don't think you're interested to see that, right? I want it to be under 10 minutes. Guys, I'm back. Now we're going to juice. This juice is, the first juice we're going to do is called Detox. And I will put the screenshot of the ingredients on the video. But it's spinach, green apple, cucumber, and celery. I've already prepared everything to make my job easier. And I love this because you can just put a whole big apple in there. You don't have to cut. Or how do I open this? I'm so excited. I'm excited. Did I say I'm excited? Did I tell ya? Listen here, before we start juicing, let's have a little chat. I always wanted to have a Nama. The first one that came out, and then they came out with the second one, so I never got a chance to get the first one, and I'm glad I waited. Was it 3 years, 4 years? I don't know, but I'm glad I waited. So a wonderful, beautiful sister of mine, she hooked me up on my birthday, and she got me a Nama for my birthday in October. Well, of course, with the shortage of the, what do you call it? What do you call it? What's the word I'm looking for? Because they had issue with the supply chain. You know, all the ships were docked in the ocean somewhere. So I had to wait. But it finally came about, I think a week or a week and a half ago. Yes. No, it came about a week and a half ago. Today's December 4th. But I had it in the box because I wanted to do a nice, what is it, unboxing. So I'm ready now to juice, yo. Look, it takes the whole, no, there's a special thing. It shows you how to layer. Let me pay attention. I don't have my glasses, but I think I can see. This says, you put the leafy vegetables on the bottom, you put the soft next, the medium, and then the hard on the top. All right, so this is some spinach, y'all. So the recipe calls for spinach. Everything else is hard, I think. So I'm just gonna put the cucumbers. So this is just one whole cucumber I just split in half. That's why I love this juicer for, you guys. The celery I might, let me see. I might have to break it up a little bit. Hold on. And then you see how tall I am. I'm trying to tiptoe here. I couldn't put this on the floor because you know why? I have a little Pomeranian. If I put this on the floor to do my juice, her nose gonna be all up in my business. I am about to eat Angel's head in my juice. Well, with my short self. Okay. So I think that's the first. I just love this, you guys. I've seen all the videos, and like I couldn't wait to get my own. And I got a tiptoe. I might have to get my I have a ladder. I have a step ladder. So I'm gonna close this. Wait, that don't make sense to put the stuff. See, I didn't even, I'm so excited, right? And I didn't put the stuff. No, this goes for the Pope. So where's the thing for the juice? You guys, hold up. See how I'm so excited? I don't even have a container for my juice. This one is for the Pope. Now I'm in business. I am in business. So click on. Did you hear that? Did y'all hear that? Oh my God. I am so excited. Angel, come and see this. I always wanted one of this. Can you see the juice? Can you see it in here? Can you see it? Okay, I'm gonna stop this and I'll come back in a few seconds. Once it's done, I'm gonna come back. I'm gonna pause this for a minute, okay? And all you juice connoisseur out there, all you juice experts, please share all your juice recipe with me. I want to have fun with this. Yes, I'm like a kid with a new toy, and I'm gonna have fun with this. And what a good way to start our New Year's resolution, you guys, because we all start New Year's resolution in New Year's. Well, I'm starting mine. I would have started mine in October, but the supply chain demand put all the thing on hold. But I was doing my blending. So what a good way to start your New Year's resolution. You know, after Thanksgiving, all the turkey we don't eat, it's time to cleanse your system. So I'm starting now. Join me. Let's do this together. Wouldn't it be fun?